Hey Matt, Scott here with Lethbridge Toyota. I know you said you didn't really need a video, but I just want to go around the vehicle here quick, and while I do it, might as well make this video and make sure nothing jumps out that wasn't fully disclosed on pictures or anything that would be missed by just viewing an internet ad that you saw. So I'll start at the front here. I don't know if you noticed that we put the LED upgrade fog lights down there. I don't think they're a rigid brand. They're some sort of Baja third-party aftermarket fog light, but that's all installed here at our shop. This generation would have the LED markers, the LED headlights. You have the adaptive cruise control with lane departure warnings and active braking. We did put a premium block heater in here, like all our new Toyotas will have. It'll come with the adapter cord that you can plug into the wall or to an extension cord. These are expensive. Just for a block heater, really, they're like 500 some bucks, but they did this because you can add on to this in the future. You can add on an onboard trickle charger and an onboard electric heater for the cab that's controlled by a smartphone. You could set it like for someone working Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You could program schedules on your phone so that when you jump in your truck at 9 in the morning, the engine is warm from the block heater. The 12-volt batteries at optimal levels because of the trickle charger, and the cab is warm without starting the truck. So now you're saving gas by doing that as well. Don't have to remote start it. Oh, we put a dash cam in it too. I did not know that. It's got a dash cam up there. Toyo, what kind of tires did you get? Oh, nice. So those are the OEM rims with Toyo GSI 6 winter tires. That's what I put on my wife's vehicle. Those are one of our more premium tires. If someone wants to spend a little more money and get something nicer, that's usually what we offer. I'm sure you get other brands that people like better. I'm not sure. Hakkapelitas are expensive, but we don't get those. But that's a good winter tire. I'll send pictures of the TRD off-road black wheels that we have upstairs on the dirt tracks and show you how much tread's left on them. There's probably lots of tread left because I think there's only 17,000 kilometers on this truck. Man, are the coils always silver like that? Yeah, it must be. It doesn't look like they put a kit or anything in there. Stock ride height? I should find out actually. I thought they did lift this. Maybe there's a whole new suspension shock setup in there. I'll find out. You have the Predator dual step running boards, which I really like. They're full. They're almost like rock sliders for off-road vehicles. Like the whole thing is like cast metal or whatever it is. Hard trifold tonneau cover on an 8-foot bed truck is really expensive because that's a big tonneau cover. Ooh, I should check to see if they put a locking tailgate on here, because right from factory, almost all Toyotas don't have a locking tailgate from the key fob. I mean, like you can do it physically with the key, but oh, they did. Okay, so they added a locking tailgate for the key fob. So now you don't have to use the hard key there. You can just lock it right from the electric key fob. That's cool. Put a Linux cargo liner in there. I haven't been checking for door dings or anything, but it's always parked in our lot. It's not like we're going to the grocery store in this and having some ignorant person door ding it. What is this? Oh, that's leftover polish. Okay, so if you see some smudge every now and then, like when we took off our Lethbridge Toyota decals, we power polished the residue off. Yeah, you can see the splatter of all the polish cream there, or the cut cream or whatever it is. 3M just for factory put there. Since it's flared out a little bit, it'll take some rocks, so the running boards will help hopefully deflect a lot of that. It does have 4-corner molded mud flaps, so it's protected from that. Does not have keyless entry or push start button. but it does have an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. You have all the, like I mentioned, the adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings. No blind spot monitors in this lower trim level. Automatic high beams, automatic headlights and daytime running lights. Power mirrors, power locks, power windows. So this is if you pull a trailer or put a big load in the back and you get a bit of sag from the payload, you can manually adjust the cutoff line on your headlights. So you can adjust for your truck, I guess, pointing more upwards if you got a payload in the back. That's handy. Built-in trailer brake controller. Heated seats, left and right. Bunch of USB hookups there. I actually think this has Apple CarPlay. What year is this thing? Is it a 2020? Yeah, it's 2020. I think it does have Apple CarPlay, so you have to plug into that one USB port there, and it'll project all compatible apps from your Android device or Apple phone. It'll project all compatible apps up on the screen. Single climate control, but it does have AC. 4x4 transfer case selector switch. No navigation, but when you plug in down here, you can project up Apple Maps or Google Maps. It's a clean truck. None of our parts guys smoke, so it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells brand new still. I don't smoke either. None of my vehicles smell like this. This is, or yeah, not this. Sorry, smell bad like a smoking vehicle. Hands-free Bluetooth for music and phone. There's the odometer reading. What kind of fuel mileage are these guys getting? Come on. Oh, sheesh. Well, let's reset that and see what we get. Tank average, 24 liters per 100. This thing does sit a lot idling. Lots of short bursts in town. I can't see 24.1 being the realistic fuel economy rating. I guess it doesn't matter, it's a work truck. I'm babbling now, sorry Matt. Let's check out the back seat. I can't see it being 24.1 liters per 100 for fuel economy, but like they do big short burst trips just to pick up parts, and they're throwing a lot of heavy boxes in the back. They're letting it idle and sit there for a long time. So, but once you get a good normal driving habit on this thing for what you're used to, then it'll kind of level itself out. So it's got the quick detach D-rings that can go in the rails of the bed. So if you have something obscure need to tie down, these guys can be slotted in at any position for more tie down points. It's got the shank for a ball if you're going to tow. I think there's a hitch or jack back there, and more storage. It's got the rubber mats already. They're trayed a little bit. They're kind of trayed a little bit, not quite like a WeatherTech, but it's enough to keep moisture or water or melting snow off there. And then if this was positioned right, it should just drip straight off on the side there. I know this is added. They must have added that just to protect it from sliding in and out and making sure that doesn't scratch the paint and rust up, so that's nice. Let's turn it off, and blacked out badging, and on the back as well, you saw the tailgate inserts. Just for aesthetics, nothing important, but it looks good. We'll lock it up here, and let me know if you need more info on this truck, but I'll go take pictures of the rims and tires. send those to you as well. Thanks, man.